2.2. Question first is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element. R is the relations. It is the relations of set x, y is equal to x plus 1. It is also said that A क्रॉस A सेट है जिसके अंदर हमने ये रिलेशन बनाना y is equal to x plus 1. Also find its domain and range. Y is equal to x plus 1 is the given set. We put the value of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this first equation. Then value of y is put 1 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the R where these value 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 belong to A because this set is given relation is belong to A, but this is the element 6, 7 not belong to this relations here A because last value is 6 but here the set relation is 6, 7. 7 not belong to A, then this set element is not belong to A. Then the set of A becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this belong not to A. Now also find the value of domain and range. Domain of this set in these relations, the first element, these are the first component या element is say that the domain and second element is say that the range. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the range or domain of this set. And after this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the second component and this is say that range of this set. And question second, I belong to A cross B and relation y is equal to x plus 1. First we find A cross B. Now we find the A cross B. It is the Cartesian product of this set A and B. We have already discussed A cross B. We have find A 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. As it is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. After this 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. This is the A cross B. Second part say that write R in roster form. These are we have taking about these two types of these. First of that set builder form. This is the set builder form. This is the roster form, and this is the arrow diagram. We have discussed these concept in exercise 2.1 basic. Now we have given these y is equal to x plus 1. Then we put the value of y, x is equal to 1, 2, 3 in given set. This. Then the value of y is equal to 2, 3, 4. This is the value of y. If we put 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Then third part say that we have find the domain and range of this. Now this is your R. In R, first component is say that domain, second component say that is range. So now 1, 2, 3 is the domain and 2, 3, 4 is the range of these relations. Now in fourth part say that show that this relation by arrow diagrams. Now here the value of x is 1, 2, 3 and y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we find the relation 1 belong to 2, 2 belong to 3, 3 belong to 4. Now is 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. This is by arrow diagram. Now in question number 3rd he say that AB is the set belong to natural number and R say that A is divisor of B. It means A B को completely divide करता है. Then prove that R is the relation of a natural number. So now here look we R is the set of we take the element of A 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. And B is also the another set which belong to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to this. This belong to natural number. Also this also belong to natural number. Now we have take the relation of those set. A is divisor of B. A divide completely B. So now this is the A11. This is 1 2 1 3 1 4 up to so on. Like this we take 2 1. Note this is the belong to R. This not belong to R because A is divisor of a B. When we divide 1 by 2, then we get not a natural number, not belong to natural number. Then we take not a this relation. This is 2 4, 2 2, 2 6, 2 8, like this. This is also belong to natural number. So now we take another set of these 3 1. Now 1 is divisible by 3. No, this is also not belong to natural number. Then we take not reaction. 3 2 also not including. Then 3 3, 3 6, 3 9. This belong to natural number. Now R is the relation. Now here R is the relation of natural number which A divide B. This is the relations of R which belong to natural number where A divide B. Now this is your questions number 4. In questions number 4 he said that we given it means first component is 1/4 the second. Now we make the pair of these set. Now 1/4 it means first component is 1/4 of this. Now this is 4 times this 4 times 4 times 4 times. Now we take 624 is the last component because if we take 728 then this is not belong to A. If we take 728, 7 belong to 8 but 28 not belong to A, then we take not take this pair. So then we take pair is 1 4 2 8 3 12 4 16 5 20 6 24. These are the relations. Now we have find the domain of these relations. The first component 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the domain of these relations. 4 8 12 16 20 24. These are the range of these component. This is the second component of these relation. If it is given that AB belong to natural numbers and this the relations, R is the relation is given by A plus 2B is equal to 11. This is the relations. Now we have discussed this relation. We find the value of A. A is equal to 11 minus 2B. This is equation number first. Now it is also given that AB natural number है, BB natural number है. Then we put the value of B is 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to so. Now we put the first value of B is equal to 1 in this first equation. 11 minus 2 multiply 1 9. Now we put 2 3 4 5 6. Then A is equal to 2 multiply 2. We get 7. 2 multiply 3 minus this. And this relation is say that 11 minus 2 multiply 6. This relation says that the value of minus 1. But this minus 1 not belong to natural number. Then after this value 6 7 8 also not belong to natural number. But here is given relation is A natural number, B natural number. Then this A is not belong to natural number. Then we not take this value in R. Then the set of ordered pair is first we put the value of B 1 2 3 4 5. Now 1 2 3 4 5. And A value is 9 7 5 3 1. 9 7 5 3 1. Now we take first value is A and second value is B. This is the set of a ordered pair. Now we find the domain of this set. Here the domain is set is 9. First component 7 5 3 1. 7 5 3 1. This is the domain of this set and range of this set. Then the second component of R 1 2 3 4 5. This is the range of this set.